How to set up and customize Shopify abandoned cart email. Hi there, today we will be learning about how to use the Shopify abandoned cart email, how to set it up, and how to customize that into your online store. In order for us to create here, what you can do first is log in into your online or log in into your Shopify account first. So here you can see that I'm currently opening my online store here that I created on Shopify. This actually is just the default theme that I am using since I haven't inputted any details here yet. But the thing here is that instead of clicking on customize to be able to modify the abandoned cart email, what you actually need to do is to go on to the lower left side corner of the screen and go to settings. That is where we will be able to find the abandoned cart setup and the abandoned cart customization. So here what you can do is, as I mentioned earlier, go to your settings. You can actually look into the other themes as well, as it's located here, but just simply go to settings, and here on the left side panel of the screen, what you can do is go into the checkout settings. That's this part here. This is where you will be able to modify or set up the um, email templates, but you can actually look into the other details as well that would definitely help you, like the marketing options, like sending the email for the product or the order confirmation. But before we do that, you can actually go to notifications here. That's on the bottom part of the left side option. And what you can do here is you can see that under the orders, you can see that there are hyperlinks. You'll be able to see abandoned checkout. So this is how you'll be able to send this to the customer if they leave the checkout before they buy the item in the cart. And so what we'll do here is that your email automation will automatically send an email to your customer if the product that you are checking or the customer is checking out has not been um, purchased yet or has not been placed yet as an order for, let's say, 7 days, 14 days, or a month. And here, when you go to notifications, you'll be able to look into when you click on the hyperlinked abandoned checkout. It will route you into this page where this is where you'll be able to preview the details about the abandoned checkout, or this is what it would look like once your customer will receive the email about their um, abandoned checkout for the product. So here what you can do is click on edit code. There's not much that you can do here. In order for your email abandoned checkout to work, what you can actually do here is just modify the content of the email. So what you can actually do here is just modify the words right after the symbols, like this one. Phrases like you added items into your shopping and you haven't completed your purchase, you can modify those details. But I would not recommend to modify the codes here if you're not very knowledgeable with the codes, since deleting or removing some parts of the code here may affect the process of using the abandoned checkout. So you'll be able to send these email to your customers. There may be an error if you will do that. So in order for you to customize your abandoned checkout email, you can actually click on customize email templates here. This is actually found into your onto the abandoned checkout. There's an option where if you want to customize that, you can definitely do that here. So as you can see here, the theme that's being used or the accent color is blue. You can definitely modify that. You can also add the image. For example, you have the logo, or you have any promo or some new products that you want your customers to be intrigued with, you can definitely add those image here, or you can add your logo here into the logo part. So this would replace the my store word here, and that would definitely automatically change that into your abandoned checkout email. So you can definitely drag and drop the logo here so that it will personalize your online store. And then just click on save, and you just need to wait for it to load, and you will be able to preview the image once it has been fully loaded. So you can actually scroll down and you'll be able to see more details onto your account here. So you can actually click on save. That's on the upper right corner of the screen. You'll be able to adjust the logo size as well, just right below the image where you've added. So when you click on save here, it automatically modifies that. And as you can see, the accent color is changed and the logo has now been added into your email template that you'll be using for the abandoned checkout. So that's how it would look like. So the thing here is that you can definitely send the test email as well into your online or into your email address that's registered in your Shopify, so that you will be able to know whether there's an error or there's something that you need to modify. So here, going back into your settings, you'll be able to see that here under checkout, that's where you will be able to modify any details about the email of the option or that you will set up here. So here you can go into products. So let's say you want that product or a customer has abandoned the checkout for that specific product. You can definitely track that as well, so that you will be able to modify and let your customer know about it as well. And here you can click or view the online shop that you've created. You can go to the catalogs and you'll be able to see the products that you have. And if you haven't added anything yet, this is actually a process where your customer will go to once they will be adding a product to their cart. So when you go to customize here, this is where you can edit as well the details of your Shopify online store. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to set up the abandoned email checkout into your online store, and that's how you'll be able to customize it as well. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.